Okay, this is the final shape that we'll be discussing, the D shape. Now this shape is also most commonly known as the lemon slice shape. Now in drawing the shape, as I have mentioned in the first videos, imagine if I draw a line here. See, the left part of the shape doesn't match the right part. They are asymmetrical in nature. And the same goes if I draw a line horizontally. The bottom part of the shape doesn't match the top part. And this is what we want to achieve with the shape. We want it to be asymmetrical so that it looks like it's filled with energy. And you can also join two D shapes together. I usually do this when I want to draw the figure from the back side. Just lighten things up a bit. There you go. I'm going to draw the anatomy as best I can. This is the part where I struggle the most, drawing the glutes. And one thing I'd like to say, when you are drawing digitally, always flip your canvas from time to time. This is a good habit when it comes to drawing digitally. And before we move on, I'd like to say something. When drawing the legs, notice that the legs are not jammed here with the brush. There is a gap here. See the shoulder here, it just goes in, like there's energy in it. It just rounds up. And the rest is easy peasy from here. Thank you for watching.